Hello friend, welcome to my channel. I am here with a topic of language and nature of language and society from paper language across the curriculum, which is important for B.Ed and English paper of the language. So first, if you like the video, please share and subscribe. So first we discuss meaning and nature of language. Meaning of language. We know that language is a system of communication through which we all human beings express our thought, feeling, ideas and experiences. It can be spoken, written or expressed through gestures or symbols. According to linguists, language is a structured system of sounds, a tool for communication, a medium of social interaction, a carrier of culture. So nature of language or characteristics of language are: first, language is social. Second, it develops in society and is used for interaction. Third, language is symbolic. Fourth, words are symbols representing objects or ideas. Fifth, language is systematic. Sixth, it follows grammatical rules and structure. Seventh, language is dynamic. Eighth, language changes over time. New words are added and meanings change. Ninth, language is arbitrary. 10th, there is no natural connection between words and their meanings. So next is language is creative. 12th is human can create infinite sentences using limited words. 13th, language is learned. 14, it is not inherited, it is acquired through environment. Now we discuss relationship between language and society. Language and society are closely connected. First, language reflects culture. Language expresses traditions, beliefs, and values of a society. For example, respectful words in Hindi like aap show cultural values. Second, society shapes language. Society shapes language. Different regions develop different dialects. For example, Hindi in UP differs from Marathi in Maharashtra. Third, language creates identity. Language gives a sense of belongingness, regional, cultural identity. Fourth, language maintains social relationship. Polite and formal languages maintains harmony in society. Fifth, social factors influence language use, age, gender, education, profession. For example, teachers use formal languages in classrooms. Third is linguistic diversity in classroom. Linguistic diversity means the presence of students from different languages backgrounds in the same classroom. India is multilingual country with languages like Hindi, English, Bengali, Tamil, etc. Importance in classroom. It promotes cultural understanding, develops cognitive flexibility, encourages inclusive education, it strengthens multilingual abilities. But there are some challenges also. Communication barriers, difficulty in understanding instructions, dominance of one language, lack of teaching resources. Now we discuss the role of teacher in linguistically diverse classroom. What teacher will do? And teacher should encourage use of mother tongue, no doubt. But we should use bilingual teaching methods, promote peer learning, respect all languages equally, use visual aids and gestures. So we can say language is not just a communication tool, it is deeply connected with society and identity. Linguistic diversity in the classroom should be seen as strength, not a problem. Teachers must adopt inclusive strategies to support all learners. Thank you.